I'm Joseph Worth, and my military background is really my dad's backstory. He was in medical school at the Ohio State University, and he got drafted kind of mid-term and actually left Ohio State in the Cuban Missile Crisis to serve his country. And he ended up serving in the Air Force as a flight surgeon, and that's how we ended up in Florida, where I was born and raised. I got into real estate really kind of a backdoor way. We were developing a project and couldn't sell it. Had a hard time with the realtors that were trying to help me. And so I decided to get licensed and sell the project myself. And then had a hard time finding a broker to park my license under in order to sell my own project. And learned about real estate through that process and eventually opened our own brokerage in North Carolina. So the team at Sentry is really, I think of a team as a family. People coming together for a common cause, and in this case it's about serving those who serve us, and it's about the people that we're serving alongside. And so it's much like a family grows over time together. You're always getting to know each other better, but that's the part that excites me about what's happening at Sentry. The idea isn't to get to thousands and thousands. The idea is to go deep with the few that we get to be in relationship and do business with together. Why Sentry is really, it hits at the heart of what the industry needs, is people who are called together to really serve, and most importantly to serve those who serve us. And so it's an honor to meet just the individuals that we get to interact with who are already serving with Sentry, and we know that there's so many amazing people out there in the real estate industry that are going to be joining forces with us. So the why Sentry is to see this family grow over time as we get to serve with one another. I'm Joseph Worth, and I serve with Sentry.
One more for you. What's your favorite military movie and why?
Favorite military movie is Stripes, because Bill Murray is the funniest human being who has spanned multiple generations and remained funny. And that's at the early part of his career, and he was hilarious in that film.
That's the fact, Jack!